Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this pin password lock setting in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to off your pin password lock setting, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off pin password setting in vivo phone. And guys, now let's see how to off it. So first of all guys, click on phone setting, and guys click on your security setting. Guys, the security setting guys, you can see, click here, and guys click on screen lock, and guys enter your pin password guys, and guys you can see the swipe option and non option. Guys, you can choose anyone, so we will click on this swipe, and guys delete. So guys pin will delete, and guys now you can see there is no any pin password in our vivo phone. So I hope friends we have understood how to of pin password, and guys you can see how to delete pin password lock setting in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.